Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Filmora, and in this video I'm going to teach you each and every feature about Filmora that you can use to create an interesting and eye-catchy and professional video. So this is actually an impressive video editing software. So you just need to go to your browser and search for Filmora, and you'll find the filmora.wondershare.net. This is the official website where you can download Filmora updated version for free. Right now its current updated version is Filmora 14. So from this website you can find this download button here, so you can simply click on it, or you can click on get started for free. So if you click on get started for free, then it will start the download the set of file. That here you can see it is just downloading. Now after completion of the download, you can simply set up your Filmora. So you can click on it and it will ask you to make the changes. So right now, yes, you just need to click on yes, and here you can see it will ask you for install the Filmora application on your system. So you just need to go through some questions you have to answer, and then you can find the additional files with this application that are mandatory. So that is downloading, so you have to wait until the download finish. So I have already downloaded this Filmora, so I'm going to delete the set of files from here. So here you can see the Filmora Wondershare Filmora 14, the updated version here. So make sure that you using the updated version. Now you just need to double click on that icon here, so it will open up the home window of Wondershare Filmora. So from here you can find, let me explain you this section where you can select the aspect ratio. So which ratio you want to use for creating your video. This is actually 16:9. That is actually like YouTube video or any type of vertical video. So, and this is actually landscape that are preferable for short videos like reels and TikTok videos. And also you can click on more and you can find different types of ratio that are actually for Instagram, standard, vertical, cinema and business. So you can use them. So I'm going to use this 16:9, and from here you'll find create project at the left side. Create project Filmora cloud, that will allow you to save your project in Filmora's owned cloud. Then Creator Hub, this is actually a social platform of that offered by Filmora, where a creator can share their experiences and different types of important things. So you can join their hub here. Now toolbox here. So here, from here you will find some toolbox like that, actually the AI generated thing, and other is actually without AI. So here you can see the AI video enhancer, image to video, AI color plate, and smart BGM generator. So you can easily get some advanced feature from here. For that you have to purchase the premium version of Filmora. Also you can refer a friend by this and you can get reward. So from here you can just go to create project and simply click on new project here, and it will open up this type of window, which is actually impressive, I think, and it is actually unstable. So you can customize these windows, which one you want to make bigger. So let me customize it a little bit here. So I'm going to decrease the right side where it will hold the project information, and I'm going to also left side and the downside here. So it the main screen where you can see the preview each time will be increased, and it is much easier to visible and it will help you a lot. So make sure that you increase this section where you can get the video and main video and the main video review. So you can simply click on import here, and you have to import your video. So I'm going to import my video here, and you can create a proxy file. So I'm not going to add a proxy file right now. Now you can also create a folder that related to your video. So for example, you have multiple video clips that you want to edit for a video. So you can get a folder, create a folder, and you can upload a folder, and all this video will upload it at once. So right now I'm going to work with this one actually. So And now whenever you import a video and you just drag it to the main track, the editing track, then it will ask you for the actually the quality of your video, the what match to media. This is actually the high and the actual size of the video. So you can go with this. I'm going to get this HD quality here, so that's how. So let me explain each and every section here. So this is where you can find tools that you can use to edit your video and your raw images and videos that you can edit. And also at the left side you can find the project media, where you can find your medias that you have imported, global media that you can also import from here. So simply click on import and you can import medias like global. Then from here you can find cloud media that actually you have uploaded in your cloud, in your Filmora cloud. So you can access that media from your cloud. This is actually AI media that will allow you to generate different types of videos with AI. So you can select the categories from here, or you can upload a file, so and you can use a prompt to create a video. So you will get only one try for free, but for further use, if you want to get unlimited use, then you have to simply get a subscription on Filmora. Then adjust length here, so you can use different type of presets. If you have any color presets or any presets, then you can use it here. Compound clips and the influence kit here. So you can it is actually influence kit that allow you to create videos and video clips and graphics for Filmora stock media. Now from here the project, and let me explain the tools here. And okay, I will explain the tool in this video one by one. So now let's talk about this. So this is actually window where you can watch your video, your main video, and this is actually the play pause button, and this is actually the this will actually rewind your video for every 5 seconds here. Now this is actually the bracket here, so you can actually cover your whole video. Right now the tutorial first to last, you can indicate the video from here. So I'm going to undo it. So for that, if you want to undo any edit, then you have to simply click on Ctrl+Z. So it will undo the last step that you have made on the Filmora. And as you know that for editing you can use Ctrl+C button on your keyboard to copy any media from here, and you can use Ctrl+V to paste that, and you can click on Ctrl+A to select all in this editing track. So from here you can find this option here. This is actually the settings of these windows. You can get a snapshot from your video from here. For example, I want to get a snapshot for this. You can simply click on it, and here you can see it has just created the snapshot, and you can select the format from here, and you can select the path where it will save this snapshot. Now it is actually volume that you can adjust the volume of that video, and the video, actually whole video. If you have added any audio track, then you can also adjust this from here. Now it is actually spend this window in full screen. Now in the right side navigation section, in the navigation section here, you will find the video section, where in basics you can find some professional thing that are scale that you can adjust the size of your video, that this X and Y. X means the X coordinate and Y means the Y coordinate. X coordinate is this, actually this and this side, and Y coordinate is this side, up to down, and left to right or right to left is X coordinate, and up to down and down to up is Y coordinate. So you can adjust it according to your needs. Then in the position, you can select you can set the position of your video. So for example, I have decreased that video. You can also click on it, and you can use this manual scale tool or positioning tool, or you can also use this drag positioning tool. So you can simply click on left click on this video and you can just increase or decrease the size from here just like this, and you can just adjust it any section of your video. Here you can see it has just changed according to the coordinates here. So this is actually the main coordinates. Here you can see it has just floated here. So here you can see the floated, the exact coordination here. So you can add different types of, here you can see here you can add another clip, here you can add another clip. So you can add multiple click from here. So I'm going to click Ctrl Z to sorry, it was a little bit more. So this is actually a video. So here you can see I have just clicked video, and if you click on it, then it will appear this section for this clip here. Then rotation, it is for rotating your video, it is for flip your video. You can flip upside down, upside and downside. You can flip it opposite section from right to left, left to right. Also there is composition and blend mode actually. So blend mode, here you'll find different types of blend mode that you can use in different situation according to your needs. And the opacity, you can increase it or decrease it, the opacity of that video from here. Then this pretty much everything on this basic section, and it is the mask where you can create this video as a mask. So you can simply click on it and you can add any section of this video as a mask here. So for example, I want to add a kitty from here. You can use another video in this background. So I'm going to decrease the size from here. You can simply click on Control and you can simply click on alt button and in the left button, and you can simply decrease the size without decreasing this section actually, this side actually. Now from here, just like this, I'm going to decrease it. So from here you can see if I play that video, it will only play this section, not whole video. So I'm going to this is actually for the example. So I'm going to make it normal here. Now you can go in any position from here. Then the AI tool, here you can find different types of AI tool that you can discover. Now in the color panel, you can select the color. You can find different types of presets that you want to use. So you can simply click on this button here to expand this section. You can find different types of filters that you can use as preset. Now here are different types of preset, and you can adjust the color from here, like white balance here, temperature, tint, vibrance, saturations, and from here you can actually set the exposure here just like this. You can increase or decrease it. So you can simply click on it, and 0 is actually the default. So from here you can find different types of basic color adjustment tools here. So color adjustment measurement like brightness, contrast, highlight, shadow, white balance and black balance here. Then you can increase the sharpness of this video by this sharpen tool here. You can also add some vignette with this tool here. So, and here is the speed. You can increase or decrease the speed of this video. So if you want to if you want to fast forward this video, then you can increase the speed like this. If I increase it, as you can see, this video is decreased, length is decreased actually. Now I'm going to play it, and you can see it has just make it more faster. So I'm going to get 0, that is actually sorry, not 0, 1 is actually the normal speed. Now from here, if I click on it, you can find different types of it. You also can generate frame by AI with help of AI. So, and also you can select the duration you want. For example, I want a duration of 6 minutes here. So if I want a duration of 6 minutes, so I have to 6 seconds actually here. So you have to click on it, and I want to get 6 seconds. So it will adjust the speed according to your duration. So it's pretty much a cool feature here. And then speed, here you can see speed ramping. You can use montage that will slow down and fast it, or it can fast it or slow down just like this. If I use this preset, you can see it has just slowed and fast this video. Yes, just like this. In some videos it looks pretty much cool. So you can find different types of speed effect from here. Then and the hero moment, if you are editing any type of hero moment, then it is actually great thing here. So from here I have just explained all of this here. Now let's get you this speed track, this edit track here. This is actually the track where you can include video. You can include multiple videos. If I want to add another video here, so you can add it, and yes, you can see I have just added it. So I'm going to delete, you can delete it any of this clip by click on that clip, and you can click backspace here, so it will delete the clip here. So I have just accidentally deleted all of this, and from here you can find this option. This is actually custom toolbar, so you can customize this toolbar here. This is actually the toolbar on your reading section. Now this here you can select, switch the mouse status. You can find select. You can, if you click on V, it will let you select any of this feature. Quick split mode, if you are splitting too many times, so you can click on this C, or you can select this quick split mode. If so, you can just simply go to that section here, and you can simply give a click, just like this, click, and it will split all of this section here. And also you can find a select all forward and a select all background from here. So different types of cursor type here. So if you select a clip here, you can delete it by this trash icon here. This is actually undo button, and this is actually redo button. So you can click Ctrl+Y. It will also show you the keyboard key, which will allow you to access this tool here. Then the resizer here, and you can add text here, quick text and quick 3D text you can add. Then you can add some actually some shapes here, like rectangle, arrow, ellipse, and triangle, line also. And you can erase anything. This is actually erasing any object from your video. So it will actually AI generated tool. You can select the speed. This is actually for the different types of frames preferences. So you can add some preferences, and you can get this preview from here. So you can generate it by AI. Then you can find music, that BGMI, that it actually allow you to create different type of BGM to by using AI feature. And the timer here, you can select the duration. You can track someone's face here. For example, I want to track this is actually one of the most important thing, that I want to track this kitty from here. So I'm going to drag it. I'm going to select only the kitty. So the frame will track the kitty only. The kitty is pretty much cool right now. So if I select it, and it will actually track that this actually when I export it, it will show us that it is actually tracking the kitty. So we're going to talk it about in another video with the expert using of this AI focus feature. So I'm going to delete it again, sorry. I'm going to add that one, yes. And from here you can find the split, actually the auto triple here. Then this is actually a marker. You can use a point, and you can mark that if you want. So just like this, here you can see I have just marked this point here. Then the voiceover, this if you are creating any video that you want to give a voiceover, then you can record audio in application here. So you can simply click on it, and it will start the voice here. You can select the device from here. You can select the input audio from here. You can select the path location where the file will be saved, and the countdown here. So you can mute the project. That means you can mute the main video clip sound from here if you select on it, or you can unmute it. Then only one click on this red button will start the recording after a 3-second countdown. Then you can record through your microphone. Here you can see my microphone is working currently right now. So that's how you can just record voiceover from here now. Okay, and from here you can expand this track from here by this, yes. Also you can expand it by control, and if you can click on control and you can scroll your mouse scroller and you can expand this section from here. Now here is the time duration, time scale that you can measure your video like this. You can measure your video. This is actually 6 here. If you got this is actually the 6-minute duration here. Then different types of layer here. You can, this is actually the audio layer. You can add audio from here. You can add your audio from your file or your or you can generate it, or you can get a voiceover. If you give a voiceover, then you can see it will appearing in this section. So now from here you can find stock media that will help you to get different types of stock media. Some are free and some are actually premium. With this diamond icon, if you find the video diamond icon, that means the video is actually premium, or you have to buy the premium package to get these paid videos from here. Then you can find different types of category of videos, stock media. You can also find some stock images. You can find green screen, blue screen, white screen, red screen, different types of color screen, solid color screen here. You can find the background here that you can use. And in audio section, you can add audio or generate audio. You can go to the mine here, and from here my music, you can go to my music and you can find this import icon here. So import media file, so you can click on it and you can import your audio on from your file manager that you currently have on your system on this Filmora. Then the titles here, you can find different types of titles that you can add actually. So for example, I want to add these titles here. So here I have added it. So it is actually giving me previews. I'm going to add this. You can just drag and drop this here, and you can expand this section here just like this, and you can edit it by double tap on that. You can double tap on this style, or you can simply click on this style and you can simply edit it like cute. Yeah, they are, this both of them are cute actually, this girl and this kitty. Now from here you can add this, and you can simply add the title effect here. You can add the shake effect. You can add this type of shake effect. You can add a blur in title, so you can get this actually. So like this, if it will download this. So everything, every process, every effect is downloaded. You have to download that file from here. So here you can find the effect here. So you can add this effect here, or you can just add this effect to this section here. So this is actually a premium feature. So I'm going to use this. All of them are premium, but sometimes you can get some free. Here it is a free effect. So you can find different types of categories that you can use. So you can explore them. Now here is the title template. You can find different types of template here. So it will actually include the animation, so you can use it to make your video much impactful. Now from here you can I'm going to add some transitions here. You can find different types of transition, that if you have the multiple video and you want to add some transition, then you can use these transitions here. You can find different transitions and you can hover over your mouse cursor on them and you can get the preview of the transition from here. You can, this transition, you can use different types of transition from here, and this is the actually category. So there's much more huge choices for you that you can explore, and you can get all of them to create a perfect video. So remember, for editing a video, you must have a you must need to have a choice, or you have an idea, a plan that you want to create this type of video, and you just need this type of effect and the clips and this type of frames and text, how you want to customize it. As an editor, you must need to have that idea. As much as creative idea you have, you can get a perfect output as your video. So here you find different types of filters, and this will allow you to add some stickers. For example, you are creating a YouTube video, so you can use this subscribe stickers that are pretty much useful for you, Candy. So you can find different types of just like this, different types of stickers that is pretty cool, I think. So if you drag and drop it, you can just easily you can just adjust the size, adjust the coordination, the position here, just like this. I want to add this, so you can drag it in this editing track and you can place it in any duration. So I have just added this in the last here. So if I play that video just like this, it will just appear this subscribe button from here. So yes, do subscribe our channel and like this video if you have found this video helpful. And from here you can find different types of stickers according to the category, like circle, music, festival, fire, smoke. If you want any stickers for smoke, you can find different types of smoke stickers. Some are free and some are actually paid. So I prefer you, if you want to create a professional video, you want to get a professional video output, then you must need to purchase the premium plan of Filmora. So here is the premium plan, the basic plan, the advanced plan, and the perpetual plan. So I recommend you to get with this go with this advanced plan. So it will help you a lot. You can find a lot of features. So this best of feature will help you to create video professionally. So you don't need to have a great idea like you don't need to struggle like the Premiere Pro or any other video editing platform. Filmora will make it much easier for you. Now here you can find the export button. You can export it here, the location where the file or the media will saved, and the preset here, the format. You can select the format. This is actually audio format. You can find different types of audio formats. So I'm going to MP4. MP4 is preferable. Then the resolution, you can find different type of resolution. This is actually the SD, and this is actually SD, and full HD, FSD, and this is actually 2K and the 4K actually. And also you can create a custom quality, a custom resolution if you want. So now here is the encoder. So I prefer you to go with this H.264. This is actually for those who don't want a larger file but want a little file than comparing to the HEVC, but it will maintain the quality. But HEVC will make that video or media with a great larger file, but also it will maintain the quality. And MPEG-4 is also preferable. So, but I prefer H.264 is perfect for any type of short video. But if you're creating long video with different types of animation, you have included lot more animation, and the video is like cinematic view or any type of like this, then you can go with HEVC. But H.264 is perfect for shareable videos. Then here you can select the FPS. Here you can simply click on advanced, and from here you can select the FPS, the frame rate here. So you can find it is 25 FPS, but I am going to create it in 60 FPS here. Now the bitrate, I prefer you to make that rest of settings as same as it is. Now you can simply click on save a preset. Yes, save. And from here you can find different types of things like GPU acceleration. If you have GPU on your PC, then it will allow you to run the GPU acceleration, so it will give you a perfect output without any laggy. You can avoid a laggy video from here, so just like this. Now here you can find the duration and the size, the estimated size here. Now you can simply click on export, and you can export it without watermark. So you can simply click on export it without watermark, and here you can see it is just exporting the video. So that's pretty much all thing that I have explained and you have to know right now as a beginner. So if you want some pro tips and pro video editing tutorial, then let us know in the comment below, and hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching this video, and we will get back to you soon with another informative tutorial.